Joanne Simpson. I'm an area catering manager for North Yorkshire County Council. In North Yorkshire we have 25 secondary schools and just under 300 primary. We serve just over 40,000 meals per day. We have a lot of challenges within school catering. They can be children with allergens, which are really important. We have to be careful that we don't have cross-contamination. The Wrapmaster is a great product because we can keep it clean. It takes away the messiness of what we offered before, where we had boxes that were deteriorating, that got contaminated. I liked that it could be shut and closed.
The Wrapmaster helps with hygiene because it's cleaner and tidier, and then you can wash it all in the dishwasher, wipe it down.
To reduce the hazards of having the cling film, foils and parchment in our kitchens.
The Wrapmaster is a lot faster and easier to use, and anything that saves time in the kitchen is good.
We can cut down on wastage and we can use the correct lengths and widths for the suitable tins that we're using, and I just feel that they're a benefit to any school kitchen. At the moment we're using the 4,500 in primary schools for the cling film, and the secondary schools are using the 4,500 for aluminium foil and cling film, and the 3,000 for baking parchment. We'd like to introduce another dispenser into our primaries where they will be using the foil, and then with the possibility of moving on to parchment after that. The feedback I've had from the kitchens have been all very positive. They're clean, tidy, and they just look better in the kitchens.